Hi parents and skaters, we are Coach Jamie and
Sandy
from the Virtual Ice Skating Coach, and we are going to show your basic beginner skaters how to skate the basics. Welcome to Virtual Ice Skating Coach. In this episode, we're going to teach you how to do a forward and backward swizzle, as well as a rocking horse.
So chances are, if you're an older beginner, you already know how to march and glide. So we're going to go over some things that older beginners are probably going to be able to do the second they get on the ice. This is called swizzles. We're going to start off with going heels and toes. Heels, toes. All I'm doing is moving my feet back and forth into this position. And I'm going to put my feet in what I call the heel position. Now, if I have any ballerinas out there, this is first position in ballet. And then I'm going to bend my knees, so there's a hole right here. Again, this is a plie in ballet. Hands in front. We're going to lean forward and pull our toes together. And as soon as our toes come together, we're going to switch back to our heels and repeat. And try to get them all linked together like a chain. And that is called a swizzle. They also can be done backwards.
When doing forward swizzles, you're going to want to put pressure towards the back of the blade, where when you're doing backward swizzles, you're going to want to push more towards the front of the blade. Not quite towards the toe, but just right by the ball of your foot. If you are doing this activity with Tots skaters, remember you can also use toys to help keep it interesting and also just provide a visual of the direction your feet should travel.
Do a forward swizzle followed by a backward swizzle. This is called a rocking horse. And the reason we call it that, maybe some of you remember the old-fashioned rocking horse where you grab on right here, you lean forward and you pull back. Now you don't want to lean back when skating backwards. If you lean back when skating backwards, you're going to fall back and hit your butt and hit your head, and that's not good. So you can see I'm pulling my legs back. Let me face this way. I'm pulling my legs back, but I'm still leaned forward. My hands are still in front. And I really haven't gone anywhere.
She's pushing from her heels to her toes, and then toes to heels. So you have to kind of rock a little bit on your blade too.
Thank you for tuning in to Virtual Ice Skating Coach. If you found this helpful, please drop a like to this video and subscribe to our channel.